Good morning, students. In the previous video session, we have completed the transportation in the plants and which is done by the process known as the diffusion. Means by the diffusion process, transportation of the materials in the plants takes place. Now we start with the transportation in the animals, and as already I told you that it is done by the proper system known as the circulatory system. Circulatory system means the organs which are included in the circulatory system, they help in the transportation of the material in the animals. And the circulatory system is made up of the tubes, heart, circulatory, blood and lymph. So these are the organs, you can say, or the things by which the circulatory system takes place in the animals. Depending on the fluid, if we say there are two types of the circulatory system depending on the fluids. So number one, that is the blood vascular system, and second is the lymphatic system. So these are the two systems. One by one we will do in the detail. So first we will start with the blood. What is blood and what does it contain and how it helps in the transportation system? So blood is a mobile fluid connective tissue of the reddish color that circulates in the human body, supply the nutrients and the oxygen to all the living cells and taking away the waste products. So what is the main function of the blood? As we say, it is a reddish color fluid which help in the transportation of the oxygen into the body cells and get rid of the waste product like the carbon dioxide from the body. So it means you can say the blood carrying oxygen attached to hemoglobin. The red color of the blood, it is due to the presence of the pigment that is known as the hemoglobin that helps to carry the oxygen to the different parts in the form of the oxyhemoglobin, which is the oxygenated blood, and the blood carrying carbon dioxide that is rich in the carbon dioxide, you can say it is the deoxygenated blood which is to be removed from the body. So now the how many components in the blood? So there are the four components, that is the RBC, WBC, plasma, platelets. So these are the four components of the blood. So RBC firstly, what is RBC? RBC is also known as the erythrocytes, ERYTHROCITES. So that is the erythrocytes. They are the circular, biconcave and nuclear disc in the blood. They are rich in iron containing reddish pigment, means HB जो हम बोलते हैं hemoglobin, that is in the RBC. Due to the HB, it is reddish color. Then white WBC, that is known as the leukocytes. They are the colorless nucleated corpuscles. White blood cells also you can say, white blood corpuscles also you can say. White blood cells again are of two types. White blood cells, they help in the you can say protect the body from the germs against the infection also. They are of two types, that is the granulocytes and agranulocytes. So these are of two types. Now the blood plasma, it is liquid part, colored liquid part, pale yellow in color, you can say alkaline in nature, which gives the blood you can say liquidity. So that is the liquid part of the blood, which is known as the plasma. It contains 92% of the water and the 8% of the solutes, and its important solutes are nutrients, excretory products, inorganic salts, gases, etc. Now the platelets. Platelets are the fourth component in the blood which help in the clotting of blood. Clotting is बेटे कि कई बार हमें चोट लग जाती है. Have you seen that वहाँ पे क्या बन जाता है जब ब्लड रुक जाता है फ्लो करना, वहाँ पे फाइबर से बन जाता है. That is a clotting and that is done by the platelets. Now there will be a difference of the RBC and the WC that we do in the Zoom session. So do revise this. Now the functions of the blood. This is also a main functions of blood. So what does the blood do? So it helps in the transport of the nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients को बॉडी के अंदर लेके जाना. Then oxygen, it helps in the transportation of the oxygen into the blood. Then it helps in transport of the carbon dioxide so that it must be removed from the blood. And also the waste product should be removed with the help of the blood. It helps to maintain the body temperature. So body temperature of our body, it is done with the help of the regulate the body temperature. It helps to regulate the body temperature. Then it helps to maintenance of the pH. How it helps to maintain the pH means the acidity and alkaline nature. So blood maintains the pH of the tissue fluid with the help of the various buffers which collect, which stops. Then it helps in the plugging area of the injury. Plugging area means उसको रोकने के लिए coagulates करता है and helps to plug out. Now blood clotting also you have done, that is done by the platelets. So there is a system in the circulatory system which is mainly done by the heart. So heart is known as the pumping organ. Pumping organ means it helps to pump the blood. So heart is a conical muscular double pump structure that brings about circulation of blood in the body, and it is broader base is upward while the narrow pointed apex is downward. So you can see this type of the structure of the blood. So there are the arteries, veins, all the things. So mainly we will do, heart has the four chambers, four-chambered heart we have, and that is two auricles and two ventricles are present. So there are the walls present which is known as the bicuspid and tricuspid walls. Tricuspid walls क्या करते हैं? वॉल्स होते हैं जो स्टॉपर की तरह एक्ट करते हैं. जैसे बाइकस्पिड एंड ट्राइकस्पिड वॉल, ये क्या करते हैं? ब्लड के फ्लो को रोकते हैं आर्टरीज और वेन्स में. So there is a difference between also the arteries and the veins. How the oxygenated blood, oxygenated means ऑक्सीजन में जो रिच होता है ब्लड, कैसे वो बॉडी के अंदर जाता है, और कैसे जो डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड है विच इज रिच इन द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वो बॉडी से बाहर आता है. So that is also we will do in the Zoom class because a very detailed structure and we will not do here. Double circulation क्यों कहते हैं? What is systolic pressure? What is diastolic pressure? These all are the important topics. Firstly, I think you must revise all these topics so that you can do in the Zoom class and ask the queries. So please do it. Thanks.